What's up, people around the world? I just woke up from my afternoon nap. So let's find our route, my sister and brother, but they didn't want to be here. So S-I-C-K, sick. So they want me to sing this. Hey, Project Zaga! Just saw you on YouTube. Learn some hacking skills to delete your channel too. Hey, Project Zaga! Just saw you on YouTube. Learn hacking skills to delete your channel too. Hey, Project Zaga! Why aren't you cut up with Shadow Clay? V Quaint Quad Unicorn. And exposing Project Zaga. We saw he has his YouTube play button, so we thought we can roast you. Not until you have back his YouTube play button, people are gonna keep roasting you. So why don't you comment on the channel? People just roasted him for hacking. Dang. Not too.